Hi, all, welcome. In this video, we will see how to use a map method that is present in the streams. Okay, so for that, I have created a class and created an object called car, and I have created a 10 cars with some test data, and with that cars, I created a list here. Okay. So in the first scenario, let's see how we can get all the makes. Here it is a make, model and year, and price is there. So how we can get all these makes into an array. Okay, from these objects I want only the makes. So for that, let's take cars list, and then let's convert that into streams. And then in the streams, we have a map method, and the map method takes a function, and a function in the sense, so it will take one argument, and one argument of one type, and it can return argument of another object of another type. Okay, so for that, we are getting a function car object here. So I wanted to get all the makes. Okay, so car dot get make, and then here it is taking a car object, and it is returning a string here. So it is a function, functional interface function, and then I am collecting all these strings as a list. Okay, so if I assign this to strings list, okay, and if I print it, okay, let's see what will happen. See, I got all the make names. Okay, here I'm using lambdas. In other words, you can use method references also. So for that, just instead of car dot get make, what we can do is car colon get make also. Okay, okay, like this also you can write. It will give the same result. Okay, see, in the second scenario, if you wanted to get all the years, so if you see the years, the years are here duplicated, right? So if you wanted to get a unique years or unique values, let's convert that into streams, and then in the map, okay, so let's use car colon get year. Okay, and then if you collect it as a list, you will get all the values, because the list allows duplicate values also. Okay, see, if we run it, see, we will get all the values that are present in this list. But if you wanted only unique values, so we can convert that into set. Okay, so as set doesn't allow duplicate values, it will give us the unique values. Okay, and if you run it, so you will get unique values from this. Okay. And see, here we are getting only the strings in this scenario, but you can return another car object also. Okay, say suppose if you wanted to add another 10,000 to each car. Okay, so for that, what we are going to do, cars dot streams, and then map. So we need a new car object for every type. Okay, and then here I'm going to pass the remaining values as same values, car dot get model, car dot get here. But for price, what I am going to do is car.get price, and then for that I'm adding additional 10,000. okay, after that let's collect that as a list as usual. okay, okay, and if you print that one, collect one, see what will happen. See, if you see in the first car object, price is 25,000, and we have added additional 10,000 here. For each car we have added 10,000, so 25,000 it becomes 35, 22 become 32, 40 become 50, and 18 become 28, so on so on. So we got a new car objects with the 10,000 additional price. okay, in this way you can manipulate uh, each object using the map method. Thank you.